Okay, guys, we're back for part 3. We're gonna stick this in here.
Alright, no.
All the way at the bottom.
We gotta use this for
And we're gonna stick.
Okay, you
Is it
ready?
clean?
Okay, now we gotta scrape that down.
Yep, it's clean.
Hey, what done?
Done! And now we have to wait. We can't put anything on it yet because it's too hot. So for now,
Look at David's cheesecake.
look at it.
Avery's cake over there.
Oh, look
Chicken.
at that, baby.
like a brown.
Okay, so guys,
That's how I do it.
Scrape it down and look, Mimi. This gonna be good cheese.
Look at Amy. This looks like a brown.
Baby.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get it. Don't do it. It's not hard.
I'm good.
Okay, let Mama do it because we gotta get it in the oven so we can eat it.
God, his goes slow.
No, mine goes fast.
Look, it goes fast, but it stops slow. Look, ready?
Let me see it.
See? And we got some Chili's burgers, and that's my Mimi.
Oh, what are you cooking in this?
Mimi, say hi. Mimi, say hi. You've never been on a video before.
I've been on videos a lot.
But not on my channel.
Not on yours, no.
Hi.
Feels
You
so
go.
good.
You always go.
This is gonna cook for 50 minutes, small man.
Guys,
It's a
it's
tomato.
done.
No, it has to cool off.
It is.
No, it's got to cool.
Can you feel it?
It's hot. And it has to be cold.
Can I touch it?
And
Very
how
beautiful.
old are you?
How old am I?
Yeah.
Older than
Whoa, it
dirt.
feels like a blanket.
Older than dirt.
God, it feels like a blanket.
Oh, I gotta. Hang on, let me have this out. What? Move over. You don't have to move. Turn that video off.
See you guys later. Bye.